Good morning, students. In the last class, we have completed vocabulary and grammar of the lesson The Fun They Had. And today we are moving to writing skill. If you see in your textbook, writing, Roman number 1, Mary is a girl studying in class 8. Read the following letter that she wrote to her friend Candy. So, what is here? Here they have given a letter. What is the letter about? Actually, Mary is a girl. She is studying in class 8 and she has wrote a letter to her friend Candy. So we will see what she has written. Wonderland, Computer Town, 20th September 2012. Dear Candy, I am very glad to say that I have established a computer teaching lab which gives me full information with the help of a mechanical teacher. It's an up to date lab. Technology is growing fast, isn't it? Imagine our classroom in 30 years. Reply soon. With warm regards, your loving friend Mary. To Candy, Winterland, Technical Country. So, what they are asking you to do is they are asking you to write a reply imagining how our future classrooms will be in the next 30 years, and you may use the following hints while writing. So what they are asking you to do is they are asking you to write a reply imagining yourself how our future classrooms will be in the next 30 years. So for that they have given here few hints. So they are asking you to use these hints while writing the reply to that letter. So what are the hints here? E-library, robot teacher, online evaluation, e-screen, email. So your homework is, this is your homework. What you have to do is you have to write a reply letter imagining about your future classrooms, how they will be in the coming next 30 years. So for that you have to use these hints and you have to write them neatly. This is your homework. Now moving to listening part. Listen to a message from space by Sunita Williams and answer the following questions. So students, I will read this message. Listen carefully while I am reading and we have to answer the questions given below. Sunita Williams sent out warm wishes on the occasion of Diwali from the International Space Station. I just want to wish everybody in India and people of Indian origin around the world a happy Diwali. It's a wonderful festival and I'm happy we are part of it up here at the International Space Station. I didn't bring a couple of things that have to do with India from my father, particularly a peaceful home that stays outside my crew quarters where I sleep, and the Upanishads so I can read it while I am up. It is a small version of the Upanishads, but it definitely brings the wisdom to us while we are here and allow us to think of the true meaning of life and what we are doing. Heartfelt feelings for the work we are doing up here and how we are doing and for our safe return back home. So this is the message written by Sunita Williams. So here are some questions. Students, I have already answered it for you. You read them while I'm explaining, you listen and you write it neatly in your notebooks. So, what is the text about? The text is about Sunita Williams' message, isn't it? So, what you have to write the first one you have to write is the text is about Sunita Williams' message. Where was Sunita Williams when she sent the message? She was in the International Space Station, isn't it? So, for that second one, what you have to write is she was at the International Space Station where she sent the when she sent the message. See the third, on which occasion did she send the message? So, on which occasion did she send? Diwali, isn't it? She sent, so what you have to write the third is she sent the message on the occasion of Diwali. Fourth, what are the two things Sunita received from her father? So, what are the two things? One is peaceful home and the other is Upanishads, isn't it? So, what you write is Sunita received a peaceful home and the Upanishads. See the fifth. In what way did the Upanishads help Sunita? According to Sunita, the Upanishads bring the wisdom to us and allow us to think of the true meaning of life and what we are doing. So, the fifth one you have to write is according to Sunita, the Upanishads bring the wisdom to us and allow us to think of the true meaning of life and what we are doing. So, I think you all have written that. Now, moving to study skills. Here are posters about two schools. Read them carefully. So, here there is a poster about a school. Government Model School, Road number 10, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. For those who want to stand at the right place in the competitive world, here is an excellent opportunity. Stress free education, individualized learning, digital classrooms, experienced faculty, experiments and projects located in the heart of the city. For details, contact the Principal Government Model School, Road number 10, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Here is another poster regarding another school. Before which we read is Government Model School, and this is ZP High School, street number 8, Vanasthalipuram, Hyderabad. The only school that enhances all round development of the children, located in the midst the only school that enhances all round development of the children, located in the midst of nature, focus on all round development of your child, individual attention, focus on social values, yoga and meditation, games and sports, dance and music, digital classrooms, moral education, Indian heritage. For details, contact the headmaster, ZP High School, street number 8, Vanasthalipuram, Hyderabad. Each one of you has an aspiration. Someone wants to become a sports person or a software engineer, etc. As a student, which school would you like to join? Why? Write your opinion in your notebooks based on the ideas given. So, this is also another homework for you. What you have to do is, above they have given two posters about two different schools. One is Government Model School, another is ZP High School, Vanasthalipuram, isn't it? So, they have given the highlights of the schools in that poster, isn't it? So, Once again, you read them carefully and you have to write your opinion saying that which school you want to join and what is the reason for joining that particular school. You have to mention these things in the paragraph while you are writing. So what you have to write is you have to write your opinion in your notebooks based on the given ideas. So you have to mention the particular school, which school you want to join and what is the reason for joining in that school. So this is the homework. Scientists believe that we have various kind of intelligence. All intelligence are equally valuable and present in every individual, though some intelligence is better developed than others. Intelligence help us reach our aspirations. The nine intelligence are linguistic intelligence, good with words; logical or mathematical intelligence, good with numbers; spatial intelligence, good at arrangement of objects; bodily kinesthetic intelligence, good with dance or aerobics; musical intelligence, good with music; interpersonal intelligence, good with making friends; intrapersonal intelligence, feeling good about myself; naturalistic intelligence, love for animals, plants; spiritual intelligence, thinking about life and its purpose, means God. Boys and girls are capable and equally intelligent. They can use this intelligence to do any task they choose to do. So, students, I think you have understood till here. What are your homeworks? You have two homeworks. One, you have to write a reply letter imagining about your coming future schools, how they will be after 30 years. So that is the homework, means you have to write a reply letter to that is the first homework. And the second is you have to write your opinion in which school you want to join and what is the reason you have to write. So we'll be completing the remaining part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.